Looking to edit your PDF files but don't know how to get Adobe Acrobat Pro for free? Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your browser and visit Adobe's official website, adobe.com. Once you're on the site, navigate to the free trial section for Adobe Acrobat Pro. Next, choose your plan. You'll see 3 options: individual, business, and students and teachers. If you're only using one device, go with the individual plan. For multiple devices, the business plan is the better choice. Here, I'll select the individual option. Click Start Free Trial, then enter your email address and hit Continue. You'll need to fill in some basic details, including your payment information, but don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the free trial ends. Once your account is set up, you'll be prompted to create a secure password. After that, open a new browser tab and search for Adobe Creative Cloud Download. Click on the first result, download the Creative Cloud app, and install it on your device. Once installed, sign in using the email address you just registered. Go to the Apps section in Creative Cloud, find Acrobat Pro, and hit Install. That's it! You now have Adobe Acrobat Pro ready to use for free during the trial period. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.